Mobile View is the web-based client from the AeroScout real-time location solution. The client provides users and administrators a unified view of all their assets. AeroScout active Wi-Fi RFID tags are attached to the assets that are to be tracked. Mobile View also has a sophisticated event engine that monitors all assets, providing alerts based on location, status, or condition. Mobile View contains reports that can be executed in an ad hoc or scheduled to be emailed or saved to a file share. The first part of this demo will show the ability to view maps or list of assets. The demo will also show the ability to search for a specified item. You will see three options on the left side of the Mobile View screen. The favorites allow single-click access to predefined searches. The favorites can be shared or personal. We can see 4 favorites for assets. The first favorite yields a map with all of the assets, while the other favorites show a filtered list of some of the assets. The filter can be based on category, status, condition, or location of the asset. After clicking on the All Assets favorite, we see a map with all of the assets. We can zoom into or out of the map using the mouse scroll or the scroll bar on the screen. Notice that each asset is represented by an icon. Each category of assets can use a system-provided or a custom icon. The icon also displays a small icon representing the current status. Clicking an icon will display a pop-up that shows the name and location and ID of an asset, in addition to any of the custom attributes. The More link provides additional features such as location history. In addition to the map display, the user can also view a list display or a hybrid display that shows both a map and a list. If the user was searching for a particular asset, for example, a vehicle with D1 000001 in the serial number, the Find Specific Asset search is helpful. The user types any part of the name, ID, tag ID, or serial number into the text box. The list of matching items is displayed in the drop-down box. The search button will display all assets in the list, or clicking on one of the items will display that item on the map or list. We will now observe assets moving on the map and generating events. At the top of the map, we see the entrance to the Automotive Distribution Center. We have an event configured to notify us when a vehicle enters. Events can generate various actions to communicate to the users, including email, text messages, and pop-ups on a PC. As the vehicle enters the map, we have a pop-up configured. The pop-up can be configured for all PCs or for selected users. The message can include audio.
Pending alert. Pending alert.
Here we see the pop-up in the AeroScout Instant Notifier as the asset enters the center. We also notice that the asset has a colored border indicating the level of the alert. We can also see details of the alert by clicking on the icon. The next event is when the vehicle enters the fueling area. In this case, we use a different level and a different colored border. From the Alerts tab, we can view the history of events. We see the original event that included a pop-up and the second alert which did not. We can dismiss or delete alerts from the Instant Notifier or from the Alerts tab. The status of the asset can also be changed based on the location of the vehicle. In the next example, the status icon is changed from available to in maintenance as the vehicle enters the service hall. We see the status on the icon as well as in the asset details. The status is returned to available as the asset exits the hall. Mobile View also has reporting functionality to view the history of the location or events. We can also view the location history on the map. From the asset details, we click on the More link and view the location history. Here we see the history as the vehicle moved through the distribution center.